Okay, so we got 2024 Topps Pristine Hobby Box, two autos, one auto relic per box. This is the super fun tri packs, 10 cards per tri pack. Usually we have an encased card, and then you open that up, and you open that pack, and it's another pack, and another pack, and fun stuff. So, should be fun here. Opening these up. So we pull something sweet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Empty box. Empty prestige box. Alright, we got 6 packs here. Break this thing out. So inside of this tri-pack, pop this open, we should get a pack and a case card. So let's see. Here's our encased card number 1 for the Yankees. Everson Pereira, rookie auto. Nice rookie auto there for the Yankees. Look at the Yankees. 1. And then we have another pack here. This is our middle pack. You call it maybe. I don't know. This off. We should have 2 cards on the back side here. One of them, first one, Basabe, rookie. This is a refractor. And Trey Turner, green, number to 150. Is this anyone's first time seeing Prestige? Probably not, but figured I'd ask. Basabe, rookie refractor. Get the refractor up there. Up there. And we're still not done with the pack. We got one more pack of cards in here, and this is usually like an insert in the middle of this, so could have an auto, but I think since we already got an auto at the start, where this is off. Devers, Suzuki, Andre Dawson, Walker Bueller. Our insert is a Jackson Chourio, Frozen Ropes rookie. These are kind of like acetate cards. Pretty cool. Nice Chourio for Jared with your only team. Josh Hader and Estoy Ruiz. Nice one. Oh. Man, Jackson Merrill, the other Jackson. I don't know how Chourio's doing, but Jackson Merrill's been tearing it up for the Padres this year. Sure. Alright, second in-case card is Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies. Who has the Phillies? Phillies. Towards the bottom. Bill. There you go, Bill. Perfect timing as you joined. Number 28 out of 75. And our middle pack here. Might be a good one, Bill. Alright, middle pack. Oh, look at this. Austin Wells, another one for the Yankees. There's only one card here. It's a rookie patch auto. Number to 99, 95 and 99. Austin Wells. Juan. Go teams. Juan hitting the 2 autos so far. 2 for 2. This is a nice one. Austin Wells. I think we had an Austin Wells Topps Chrome auto to 50 too. So we've been hitting some Austin Wells lately. 2 autos, two Yankee autos. Up open the last whatever pack this one is called in the middle. Torkelson, Victor Scott II, Wilyer Abreu, Xander Bogaerts, and our insert in the middle, Marcus Semien. Says PP. I don't know what that. Something with a bunch of stats in the background. Kyle Tucker, and Matt Chapman. Look good, Daybreak. Keeping the cards out of my. Yep, gotta love it. People are filing in now. There. All right, we're on Fry Pack number 3. Check out our encased. It's a Dylan Cease, number 25. Orange, what are these called? Pulsar? Orange Pulsar. Dylan Cease for the Padres. Whoever's got the Padres? Josh. Open up our middle pack here. Flip around, we got a Yu Darvish refractor and a Luis Castillo refractor. And our middle pack here. What's up, Scott? Devone. Carl's in here watching. We're joining everybody. Got Matt Olson, Luis Arias, Johnny DeLuca, Juan Soto, Jackson Merrill, I was just talking about, Ricky, Corbin Carroll, and Stan Musial. All right, we're halfway done. Halfway done. We got two autos. So we got what? One more. What did it say? What did the box say? 2 autos, 1 autograph relic. So we got, here's our autograph relic. And then we got 1 more auto to find in these last 3 packs. At a minimum. Here's our encased card, and it's a Junior Caminero. Nice one for the Rays. Juan, again. Juan's got all 3 autographs. That's crazy. Somebody tag Juan. If you can. What a day for Juan. Scooping up all the autos. That's crazy. See, the middle pack here is all attached. So I'm just going to show these. Brian Wu refractor and Craig Kimbrell purple, numbered to 99. Also get these off. We got our last pack, or end pack, I don't know what you want to call it. Alright, we got something here. Encarnacio Strand, Spencer Steer, Brenton Doyle, Salvador Perez, and Zadaika. Oh, snap, Junior Caminero. Nice. Just like a refractor die cut there. That's pretty sick. Justin Steele and Tyler Soderstrom. Sometimes it'd be like this. You just get all the autos, all the hits. And sometimes you don't. Alright. Set that there. Upload these 2. We got 2 packs left. And we'll do a recap at the end. Alright, next pack. See what we got here. Encased card number 5. Andre Dawson. Pulsar refractor. Or Pristine. I guess they call that Pristine. What do they call that? Pristine? I don't know. It says autograph. I guess this is Pristine, but it's numbered. That must just be a Pulsar refractor. Flip that one over there. Pop this open. That one came off smooth. We got a Salvador Perez refractor and a rookie Encarnacio Strand, number to 99, 3 of 99 for the Reds. Not Ellie, fortunately. Still got a couple more chances for Ellie though. Purple rookie. Last pack here, this tri pack. Arenado, Bichette, Shohei, Dane Myers. We had an insert here. Brooks Robinson, squeaky clean. Squeaky clean insert. Brooks Robinson, JD Martinez, and Justin Foscue. Pristine had a lot of same amount of hype as all the other ones. They had a lottery for it for some reason. I was able to get this one on pre-order, but that was the only reason I got it. So see if I find another one. If not, this is our last pack. It's a Ronnie Mauricio. There you go, Evan. Good trade. Nice rookie. Number 99, 499. Did Evan just join? Did you just join, Evan, as I pulled this? Ronnie Mauricio. Nice one there. Good timing, if you did. For the last two cards right here, in the middle of this pack. We got a Randy. And a green Brian Reynolds, number to 150. We'll check out our last pack here. Get some background noise, Eric. Spencer Strider, Verdugo, Chuck McNeil, Royce Lewis, and another Marcus Simeon, the same exact card. Interesting. Same exact card that we already had. Perdomo and Sonny Gray. Alright, that'll do it. Let me get these last couple uploaded up and then we'll do a recap. Thanks for joining. I just got some boom boxes in for I think 2 baseball, 1 football. And then I got a Topps composite box from for football coming, so that should be another fun one. Be on the lookout. Do a little recap. Brian Wu refractor, Jackson Merrill, Asabe refractor, Simeon. We got 2 of these inserts. Frozen Ropes, Jackson Churio, Brian Reynolds to 150, Brooks Robinson squeaky clean inserts, Strawn to 99. Kimbrel to 99, Turner to 150. We got an O Snap Caminero. And then our auto relic is an Austin Wells to 99, rookie auto, rookie patch auto. Then our encased cards, we had a Dylan Cease to 25, Ronnie Mauricio to 99, Jimmy Rollins to 75, Andre Dawson base refractor. And then 2 autos here, Caminero auto, rookie auto, and Harrison Pereira, rookie auto. So somehow Juan was able to steal all 3 autos, Pereira, Caminero, Wells, and the O-Snap. So pretty good break for Juan.